Okay, this is called the nap position, okay? Nap position, you are on your shoulders. Ideally, the shoulders should be aligned or the top shoulder slightly behind it, okay? Not forward in front of it. So this shoulder should be either the same line, but usually it's slightly behind, but right here. A lot of people, they kind of stay like this. That's why their legs never trigger the sweep. So here, the distance between the knees, it shouldn't be too narrow. It should be kind of like, almost like this knee slightly diagonal, because the kick is really strong that way, okay? The bottom leg, you turn your knee to the floor and keep your foot slightly off the floor. So this is the position here, okay? Punching hand, the hand that grabs always punches. The hand that blocks always cross, okay? So like right here, and you have to use your body to crunch, okay? I call this the squeeze, crunch, kick and punch, right here, kick and punch. So everything from here, okay? So let's start now and work this sequence here. So I have the position in place. This is the control that I have right now, collar and arm, okay? So in this position here, I wanted to show you that if my knee is leveled with his waist, I will stiff my leg instead of kicking, okay? There's a difference. So here, I want his hips to rotate. So when I do the crunch over here, I squeeze my legs. As I pull the bottom one, I stiff the top one. Do you see how the hip rotates? And here, the punch, you have to really try to do like an uppercut and punch the floor. One more time. So you have the standard position, okay? You can control the elbow, that's fine, okay? So here, you're gonna crunch, squeeze, stiff your leg. And here, look, you're not pushing the guy out, although you can too, but that compromises your safety when you land. So you go here, close to you, okay? Go back one step. If the hand becomes an issue, like I say, he puts the hand on the ground, put your hand on the ground. Like I do everything right, but that hand stays there when I do the stiff. You relax, pull again. So you're saying you do like a little relaxing, and then you reset that position. Everybody cool with that? So that's the first situation. Let's see from another angle over here. Nap position, okay? Here, crunch, squeeze your leg, stiff your leg, uppercut. So you punch and kick. One more time. This way now. Crunch, squeeze your legs, squeeze and crunch, stiff your leg and punch.